Spanish teachers. We're primary school teachers, and we're going to present you the Irish education system and how much it affects us in our education. So, first of all, we found out that there is student-centered education. The teachers develop autonomy and independence to teach by putting responsibility on students. Teachers put students' interest first, as we found out, and they use instructional methods that recognize individual differences in learners. In particular, I found out that, especially in the first grade that I happened to be in, a teacher gave a test so that she could find out learning disabilities that some students might have, so that she can give more assistance to them. Then we saw task-based activities reinforced with both individual and group work. We also saw that Gaelic is a mandatory taught language and entitles students to gain 10% in exams. There is a positive atmosphere also, strengthened by ethics, and we saw that children were praying just before lunch or before breaks, and we saw that religion takes a strong part in education. Religion and education are interwoven together. The matter of assessment now makes teachers skeptical about whether it should be done by external or internal evaluators, as we saw. As far as the second part, the bridges, we chose those pictures so that to indicate bridging the gap matter. They actually bridge gaps not only between cultures and religions or conventions, but also among students in our case. Students of different backgrounds, of different learning abilities, children in this place come together, they work together, they make friends, and they feel that they belong to the same cultural context. They belong to the same common community. Likewise, our dissemination strategies here have to do with application of good practices to our own students in our own classes. For example, I saw in the second grade a teacher who used keywords in order to teach vocabulary, and she dictated some sentences, and then she distributed some worksheets, some copies with keywords and she had the kids check their answers on their own. We believe that ethics is very important, that has to do with religion, and we believe it is important to help students develop moral standards since they affect human conduct. Because in that way children learn to accept the different and to help. Thank you.
Remembering that the next 17th of March are St. Patrick's Day, so it's a great opportunity for us to introduce in our schools this experience.